ever since ginawa ko tong YouTube channel, mayroong mga hidden na pains na bumabalik, pumapress ko. I think talaga itong YouTube na to, it's mostly for me, like for my own healing, for my own moving forward from the experiences na go through ko sa sisters ko. A big wave of emotion came after sa last video ko na because na-realize ko lang na while I'm sharing my story na I have learned things na maliit pa ako. Like, I've learned to silence myself, to not speak up for myself, to not say anything. Nung namumulastya ako, I don't speak up na meron nang nangyayari kasi sa takot na bubugbugin ako or hahampasin na naman ako ng sobra ng walis, yung handle ng walis. Tas hindi pa ako hihintuan, hindi ko pa alam kung paano nahihinto kasi parang feeling ko baka nagpa-pass out ako o nahihimatay na, ewan ko. Hindi ko na ma-remember yung talagang exact moment. Pero ang nare-remember ko, yun nga, natuto akong mag-silent, na hindi ako magsalita, na nangyayari. Kasi every time nagsasalita ako or nagsasabi ako for myself towards her, I always ended up, it's always going to be worse para sa akin. So I learned to survive at the age of 7 to 11. 7 years old to 11. I learned to survive every day, every week, every month, until that 5 years. When the opportunity comes to me or came to me na maaalis ako sa poder niya, I took it in a heartbeat. Yes, I'm going. She hated me for doing that because ayaw niya ako umalis kasi siya yung tumatanggap ng pera galing sa tatay ko for my expenses. Anyway, so ayun. You cannot expect people na doing hurtful things nung maliit ka to change ngayon. Kasi, take kung anong meron ka o ano yung benefit nila nakukuha sa'yo. Take it out. And see if they're still going to be there for you. Because I'm 100% sure they won't want you. So, ayan lang.